Hello there. You look absolutely stunning today. Beautiful. Hi guys, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Juvia's Place, the Nomad palette. Yay! I haven't watched any videos on this or anything, so I'm going into this with a full unbiased opinion. This is what the palette looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches on my arm. Alright guys, so here are the swatches of all the shades. I absolutely love the color story. Fortunately, these shades don't have any names to them. Like I said in my last video, Juvia's Place is a cruelty-free black-owned cosmetics line. This palette retails for $15 and it's available on their website and at Ulta. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. For primer today, I am using the NYX Pore Filler and the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. If you have oily skin, this is the stuff for you. Look no further. Perfect for if you have oily skin. And I just put the NYX one in my T-zone where I'm the most oily. Full foundation today, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place shade 710 I Am Magic Foundation. I'm blending this in with my Estētica beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in shade 24. Now I'm just blending this out again with the same sponge. Now I'm using my Powder Airspun powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm taking the same sponge that I used for my foundation and concealer and using it to set my under eye. Now that we're all baked, I'm taking a Morphe M527 brush and dusting it off. For brows, I'm using the Colorpop Brow Boss in the shade Light Brown. For bronzer, I'm using the Estēe Lauder Bronze Goddess in the shade 02 Medium. I'm also going to be using this to contour my nose with the IT Cosmetics No. 7 concealer brush. Snatched. Now I'm using even more bronzer with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer. And I'm just using a Real Techniques 202 brush. For blush, I'm using the LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just Natural. And for highlight, I'm using this old beat up Colorpop Super Shock in the shade Flexitarian with a Morphe M510 brush. Okay, now that that's out of the way, it's time for the fun part. Yay! Now it's time for the Juvia's Place Nomad palette. And this is what it looks like. What am I gonna do? What look am I gonna create? Create! So there's no names on the shades of this palette, but first I'm going to take this little muted mustard color and use that as the transition shade on a Morphe M505 brush. Right away, this is already very pigmented and blending out very well. Now I'm gonna take this sparkly yellow color and put that a little bit below the transition shade. Now I'm gonna use this burnt orange color and put that in my crease line on a MAC 217 brush. Now I'm gonna blend them together with my Morphe 505 brush. Now I'm taking this warm hunter green color right here on a MAC 213 brush, and I'm putting this right on my outer corner. This color is so pretty. I've never seen this color in any other eyeshadow palette. This shade is kind of blending out into nothing. It's not like staying. I'm so sad. Why? You like really have to pack it on there. Okay, so now I'm going in with this like deep mocha color and I'm putting that over the top of the green. Now I'm taking a MAC 217 brush and blending it all in. Kind of went away after I blended it. Am I doing something wrong? Like, do you see that? It just kind of got patchy. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same transition shade that I used earlier and putting it right over here. Now I'm taking the burnt orange shade on my MAC 213 brush and putting that down there as well. I must say these oranges and these yellows are very pigmented. Now I'm taking my MAC 213 brush and dipping into the green and the brown and putting that right on the outer corner, connecting it to the other area where I put it. See, on the bottom, they worked really well. Now I'm cutting the crease with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 24 on my little Wet n Wild cat tongue brush. Okay, so I have my crease cut. Now I'm gonna break the rules for a minute and dip into my Warrior 2 palette with this white shade. This white shade. And set the crease with my Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this really pretty, I'm gonna take this pretty champagne-y gold color on a MAC, the name's gone, on a brush that looks like this. and put it right on the center of my eyelid. I think I can amp it up with a little spritz of setting spray. Now I'm taking this green brown shimmer shade on the same brush and putting it right here outside of the lighter sparkly shade. It doesn't really want to stick to certain parts of my eyelid. Oh, this is a mess. Oh my god, how can I fix this? I'm going to take these two shades and try and blend it in. As you can see, there is a whole bunch of fallout. Alright, so after a whole lot of blending and a little bit of love, I think I got it to a nice state. Once again, as you can see, there is a whole lot of fallout. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, eyelashes, mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Alright everybody, so this is the final look. What do you guys think about it? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm getting like a grungy glam sort of vibe with this. My final thoughts on the Juvia's Place Nomad palette. The yellows and the shimmer shade and the orange were absolutely beautiful. They were a dream. I loved them. They blended up so nicely. The problem that I had, these two and this dark shimmer shade would not blend worth a they wouldn't blend. I don't know if I did something wrong. I probably just need to play with the palette a little bit more, but I couldn't get these ones to really work, and I really wanted them to because they're so pretty. Besides that, I didn't use these two colors. Those are the only colors I didn't use in this palette. But these ones right here, these four, worked great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All the products that I used in today's video will be in the description box down below. You can follow me on Instagram at SlayGypsy. And thank you guys so much for watching.